guys, it's me Jyoti and I hope you all are great and having fun over there. I welcome each one of you in my channel and thank you so much guys for your love and support. I'm really grateful. So in this video we are going to learn 5 different types of quilled fringed flowers. Those are really easy to create and you can decorate your assignments or your notebooks with the help of these flowers. So it is really super easy and it looks really awesome. So without further ado, let's do it together. So guys, firstly I'll show you how to make a simple fringe flower. For that I'm taking a 7 mm orange color strip and one 3 mm off-white color strip. So we have to mark it between an inch's gap. Cut all the strips like this. Make fringes. And paste your 3 mm strip over the 7 mm strip with the using glue. So now we have to make the tight coil of it. So I'm using my quilling slot for making. And guys, if you want to know how to make the DIY quilling slot, so I already have made video. Please go and check in my channel. Make sure that you do not roll it too tight. Now apply glue on the edges and push the tight coil inside. And apply some glue on the back side of this flower and spread it. So it's time to open the fringes of your flower. So follow the steps that I'm showing in the video. Isn't it looking beautiful, guys? You can use your favorite contrast. So we are done with this. Guys, now I'll show you how to make 2 colored fringe flowers. For that I'm taking 2 different color strips, pink and red. I'm pasting it together. I have marked the cut. Now start rolling it with your quilling slot, and again make sure that you don't roll it too tight, otherwise it will get destroyed. And once you are done with the coil, secure the ends using glue. Apply the same method. Open all the fringes of the flower. So here we are done with the 2 color fringe flowers as well. Now I'll show you how to make 2 color with tight coil fringe flower. For that I'm taking 2 strips of purple color and 1 strip of off-white color for the tight coil. Firstly, take a purple color strip or 7 mm strip, attach it with your 3 mm strip, and again take the 7 mm strip and paste it using glue. Now start making the coil from the 7 mm strip. Now we are done with it. Secure the edges with using glue. Now paste with using glue inside it so that it can get stuck. Now we'll open the fringes of this flower. Now we are done. Now we are done with this flower as well. So guys, now we'll learn how to make colored edge fringed flower. For that I am taking one 7 mm strip and one 3 mm strip. Now we'll apply some glue on the 3 mm strip and paste it on the 7 mm strip. Make sure that you paste on the edges. Paste the strip using glue. Paste it gently and let it dry for some time. Now it's totally dry, so we start cutting it. For cutting we have to use the same method. Cut the whole strip using scissors. I have mark cut and we'll attach one 3 mm strip. I am using a brown color strip. You can use whatever color you like most. Start rolling it. Make a coil of the flower and secure the ends using glue here. Tap the tight coil a bit inside and apply glue on the back side of the flower. I'm opening it like this. Yes, now we are done with it. So this flower is also ready. So now I'll show you how to make cross fringe flower. For that I am taking one 7 mm strip and one 3 mm strip. We have to cut it diagonally. In the previous flowers we cut straight, but we have to cut here diagonally so that we can give it a cross shape. So I have cut a whole strip. Now we'll attach our 3 mm strip with the 7 mm strip, and just we have to follow the same technique. Make a coil with using your quilling slot. Secure the edges with using glue. Paste it gently like I am doing here and tap the coil inside. Now open the fringes of the flower. So we are done here. I hope you like it. Make sure that you apply glue on the back side of it so that it gets stuck. So guys, this is it about today's video. I really hope that you enjoyed watching it and learned something new. And if you really did, so please give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel because it's absolutely free. And don't forget to hit the bell icon which is next to the subscribe button. And guys, if you want me to make the second part of the video, so please do write your views in the comment section. I'll meet you very soon. Until you have fun, keep learning. Bye bye.